Hi, my friends. This is Miss Alexander, and today we are working with TechSmart and Skylark. And our learning intention is we will learn about sequences in programs. We know we're going to do this because of our success criteria on I can create sequences using numbers to describe where something is on the screen using check position. So let's go look at check position. Here we go. We're going to learn the coding technique check position. Check position. Where's the sprite on the screen? Has it reached a certain position? We will use this technique anytime we want to check where sprite is on the screen. For example, stopping a sprite from moving when it reaches a certain point. Changing a sprite's behavior when it reaches a certain point, or another way is seeing whether a sprite has reached the edge of the screen. So to check whether or not something is true, we use a conditional. That's the if-then block in decisions. Based on whether it's true or false, we can perform any action we want. So let's go ahead and go look at some code. So one of the first things I want to do, and it's the first thing I do every time, is I always run the program. Sometimes we have it where we run the program and it has something there, has a video, it shows us what we're doing. But right now, we're going to go ahead and run the program to see what we have. Oh, look, there's Boulder rocking right by Flame, right off the screen. I bet we don't want Boulder to do that. So let's go ahead and select Boulder. See, we have some code, but our goal is to make Boulder turn around when he hits the edge of the screen. So let's go look at this. We're going to go to Code Assist, and because we know if then's a conditional, we know it's in a decision. So we're going to go to our decisions and grab the if then. So right now, I need to figure out, I need it to be greater than or equal to. So as I'm thinking greater than, I know that I need the biggest part open, so the two dots to the one dot. So if you imagine this as a sideways V, it starts off with the two dots and goes to 1. And then we're going to create our motion, and we're going to talk about Boulder's center X. So my center X is greater than or less than 1018. So now we're going to go change our speed at this point. I'm going to grab my set var, and we're going to change the var to speed. I know I'm going to need another one because we're going to do negative speed. So I'm going to quick go to math. Remember, it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, negative. So I'm going to grab that negative, and we're going to put that extra variable in. And we're going to click speed. Now that we've done that, we're going to run our program. Let's see what happens. So there we go, there we go. Remember, we're talking about the center of him. Look at that, he bounces off and goes right back. Okay, you guys, why did that happen? Now remember, on our screen, it's 1018 pixels wide. So as soon as he hits it, he bounces back. So let's create a new goal. Say we want Boulder to turn around when he reaches Flame. So we're going to replace the 1018 to Flame's center X. So we're going to still greater than and equal to, but we're going to grab this my center X, and right here where it says my, we're going to write Flames. So you see how it's speed? I'm going to come right down here to Flames. The program needs to know which one we're using. So we don't want to create a new one. We want to use the one that's there. So let's run this program and see what happens. Look at that. He did that. And now he's bouncing back. That's kind of cool. Now, using the drop down can select any sprite in the scene. So say we decide to go off the forest or boulders. You can do that. As we're working through this, have fun, remember to smile, and always smile, giggle, and wiggle. Have a nice night. Bye.